We're here at the Mellon Square garage in Pittsburgh.
Yes.
And what kind of melons will we see in here?
Two juicy ones.
Like watermelon? Oh wait, there's the elevator.
Maybe.
So I actually have a button that came off this elevator, and thanks to Jared for giving it to me. So we're actually here on 1.
Oh, that's me a button. We're gonna watch it.
This here we have an, oh look, we got these indicators. Let's go down to 6, which is on the bottom. Here we go.
These have MEI motors.
Made a good choice. And here we are 6 stories underground. Now we're going to go up to 1. These are nice.
They are.
And we're going to watch the other one come out.
Yeah.
Look, it actually says it's going up.
Yep. Right, this is actually a new hallway. Because the key switch used to just be on here. So this is new.
Look at this. These are neat lanterns.
They are. They're on a motor. I know.
Does that one have a good motor?
Yeah.
Let's take a ride on this one.
I'm gonna film this.
Alright, let's go down to 6.
Notice how the indicator arrow doesn't go on until afterwards. I've never seen that on a different Otis, on any other Otis.
That's interesting. Again, we have the same kind of parking garage style cab.
A floor indicator for the other cars in the back behind your soccer mom, man.
I had a call button come out of here.
Yes.
Here, the other one. Let's just get a quick look outside. We are 6 floors underground.
Yes, we are.
And we have these color changing indicators.
RGB, yep. Wait for that motor to stop.
Yep, and then we'll start this one.
Unless no one called it. It's 1 in the morning, I don't think anybody did. Yep, here we go. The old elevators had great motors and the new ones do.
And look at that tiny door.
Yes. Would you like to film the 3rd elevator here on video?
There's a 3rd one? Okay, well, we're going to go down to a 3rd elevator. We have to go all the way back down to 6.
Well, let's want to do 2, but there's a guy there.
Okay, well, we're going to go down to 6.
They replaced a 50s Westie.
Aww.
Yeah. It's still overhead drive though. So they didn't convert it to MRL. You're in for the surprise of your lifetime.
Oh boy.
Everyone's favorite. Everyone's favorite Otis Gen2.
Oh boy. Only serves 2 through 6.
Yeah, it doesn't go to 1.
Oh wow, this thing's really nice. Go all the way to 2?
Yep.
Now let's listen to the relays. Oh, nope. This one's a lot nicer looking than the other one. Now why is
It's
this
a little too nice for a parking garage.
Yeah, why is this one here then?
I don't know. They had the old elevator used to actually be here, and then the other door stopped like here, center opening. Andrew has a photo of the old car.
That is really weird.
Yeah,
Well, that was
it's
some
weird.
neat elevators, and that's it.
Echo!